Hey sis, how you doing? I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. If this is your first time hanging out with me, my name is Viv. So welcome to my channel. And sis, if this is not your first time and you're there already and you come back for some exchange, girl, welcome back to the video. I am sipping tea today because I am trying to cut back on coffee. I love coffee, but coffee don't love me. So hold on one second. Sis, in today's video, which is part of a tag video with our good sis, CB Marie. So immediately after watching this video, please go over and watch her video. We are talking about bags that we exchanged and why. Like, we made the return because whatever it was about the bag that we purchased was really not working out for us. So we exchanged that bag for something that would work out for us. It's so complex, girl, because sometimes, like I told you before, I do not like going back and returning bags. I don't know what it is, okay? But it might shock you, the bag that I exchanged. But let me tell you what happened. So, you remember a few weeks ago, I shared with you that I picked up a Coach signature bum bag. I know, I love that bag so much. I did. But immediately after I got that bag, I found my Mint and Surf belt bag. It's not a bum bag, it's a belt bag. And I also have another one. I also have this really, really cute one in my collection as well, also from Coach. So now I'm up to having like 3 bum bags, right? I just had to tell you like a little bit of history. So I remember it was like a Sunday morning and I went into my closet and said, you know what? I'm going to wear my signature bum bag today because I have to run around a little bit, right? Guys, I don't know what it is because when I shared the video, everything seemed fine with the bag. But when I went to use it, I was like, you know what? I feel like because of the leather in the back, it's really, really stiff. It's not like my other 2 bum bags where the leather is more supple. It was so stiff. When I started to pack her out, I was like, I'm going to stretch out this bag. It's going to look real wonky and then I'm not going to want to carry it. And it just wasn't working. And I was kind of frustrated and I kept on trying. I was like, okay, you know what? This might not work for me. So I tried to offer it to my daughter, y'all. She was just like, I don't like it. I was like, what? I said, no. I said, are you sure? I said, because you can just have this. But she was like, Mom, I don't like it. So the item I exchanged my belt bag for is actually a wish list item that I saw around this time last year. So the bag I switched my bum bag for was a wish list item. You're going on the floor. We're going to unbox. And that item is, don't you love unboxing your own thing? Girl, it is the Coach Swinger bag. And after shopping for all of these other bags, I'll talk and unwrap and everything. I should have bought my scissors. Oh, thank God, that's easy. I remember the first time I saw this bag, I was just, because you guys know how I feel about stitching. I was like, this bag is crafted so nicely. I have to have it. It's just so chic. She came at the right time too, because there's nothing that I really want at the boutique right now. And she kind of just sealed the deal for me and really helped like launch me into my no buy. So last year when I tried on this bag in store, I was drawn to the flexibility of the bag. Not only can I wear it as a shoulder bag, but I can also carry it as a crossbody bag and a clutch. It was a win for me. That's how it all happens, sis. That's how it went down. That's how it went down. Now, unlike the bum bag, when I packed it out, it really like stretched the leather. and it looked so bad to me. I didn't want to like mess up the bag. But so far, I packed my essentials and a bit more into this swinger bag, and look how good it looks. And I can still zip and unzip the bag with no problem, unlike that bum bag that I had to return. I really felt bad returning it, but I had to. I was not going to use that bag as much as I thought I was. And now I'm going to see how this bag works out for my lifestyle. She is packed. Does she feel heavy? No, she does not feel heavy. In another video real soon, I'm going to share with you something that I actually found when I did another return. But right now, we're going to go ahead and focus on Coach. The next brand, though, is a brand I've never shared on this channel before. So you're going to see that. I love the fact that this bag comes with options. Like, don't we love options? Like, a bag is supposed to give me options. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Look at that. Sis, this is so cute. Wow, it's making me... I'm gonna have to do a comparison video because as soon as I tried this on, it made me ask myself if I needed something else that I have in my collection. Man, handbags are, it's a trip. Some days you know exactly what you love and you get it and it works out. And then there are times you get a bag that you think you're gonna love, you get it and it does not work out. In this case, I really think that this is going to work out for me. Isn't she pretty? Like, look at all that room and the crossbody option. I am here for it. I'm gonna show you the other two goodies that I picked up in April because we're in May, and May is a no-buy month for me. I'm really trying. I got so much more to say, but I'm gonna go drink my tea. And I'm definitely gonna rock this bag today. I'm definitely gonna rock this bag today. I also want to get it in a Coach brown because I think that brown is lovely. I wonder if my daughter would want this bag. If I said, would you like this bag? She'll probably say yes. I'm going to ask her, though. I'm going to ask her if she likes it, because if she does like it, I'll probably get her one in a fun color or make her pick her own swinger bag. I think these are so cute. And you know what? If this bag works out the way I'm thinking it's going to work out, girl, Louis who, I'm not going to get it because that price point. Why is this? Oh, Viv. Guys, today is just rough. See? It's rough because I'm drinking tea and not coffee, but you know what? Change is good, right? It is. I'll see you in the next video, sis. And thank you very, very much for watching.